Welcome to PGP Graph Web Server, a deep learning-based tool for the prediction of P-glycoprotein (PGP) inhibitors and substrates, which employs graph convolutional networks (GCN) to distinguish PGP substrate versus non-substrate and inhibitor versus non-inhibitor, with a prediction score and straightforward graph-based interpretation of the chemical properties of each SMILES structure. Whether you're a researcher, chemist, or data analyst, our web server is designed to help you efficiently analyze 2D chemical structures with ease. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll find a clean and intuitive introduction of our web resource. Header of the homepage provides various tabs, such as Prediction, where all the analysis will take place, Result Visualizations, Download, and Help section, Contact, and Team details of the PGP graph. You can explore all the tabs by clicking on each of them. Now, we will demonstrate the data upload and processing. Upload your datasets in just a few clicks. Our platform provides an option to choose a prediction type, such as inhibitors and substrates. After selecting the prediction type, users have an option to paste a single or multiple canonical SMILES structures in the designated box, or upload multiple SMILES structures in a single CSV file format. Once uploaded the file, the user has to hit the Submit button to process the data for analysis. PGP Graph team has also provided an email function, which is completely optional for users to receive the job submission and completion notification. We have also incorporated JSME molecular editor in PGP Graph to draw 2D structure to get SMILES notation for processing. For first-time users, we have provided an example option. It directly pastes the canonical SMILES structures in the designated SMILES box, and then click on the Submit button. This will process the example query and displays a submission message with a unique job ID. The job ID can be used to trace the results using result page of the web server. The results will show in a versatile tabular form with 4 different fields, such as serial number, SMILES, score, and prediction. Users can copy and export the results in different file formats using the respective buttons. Notably, the tabular result also contains a feature button, which can be used to extract feature importance bar plot of the chosen SMILES structure, which is predicted as PGP inhibitor or substrate. The PGP graph leverages web server DeepChain-based mol GraphConv featureizers to calculate atomic level features such as atom type, chirality, degree of an atom, hybridization state, etc. In contrast to molecular level features or descriptors, where each feature represents a property of an entire molecule. Provided the datasets and standalone version of our tool For bulk analysis, users can get these from the download section. The PGP Graph web server provides a detailed explanation of the functionality and interpretation of the results under the Help section. For any queries or suggestions, feel free to reach out to our support team. The PGP Graph team members are always available to assist you. Happy analyzing! Thank you for watching.